Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. This is Sandeep Kumar from Sri Venkateswara College of Engineering. I'm giving the presentation on management as a science, art, and profession. Management is a multifaceted field that encompasses the science of planning, organizing, leading, and control organizational resources to achieve specific goals. It is also an art requiring creativity, initiation, and adaptability to navigate the complex human dynamic. Finally, management is recognized as a respected profession with the specialized knowledge, ethical standards, and commitments to serve the greater good. And the evolution of the management thoughts, the field of management has evolved significant over the past centuries with the various schools of thought and theories emerging to address the changing of needs organization from the scientific management principles to Taylor of the human relative approach to the Elton Mayo. Management as a transfer from the purely administrative function to dynamic multifaceted discipline. The classical school of management, empathizing efficiency and productivity, gave the way to behavioral school, which focus on the human aspects of organization. The system approach the consistency of theory further empathize the interrelatedness of various organization elements and the improvements importance of the adaptivity of management practices to specific context. Today, management encompasses the wide range of disciplines, including the strategies management, operating management, human resources management, and the organizational behavior, each contributing to the holistic understanding to how to effective lead and manage the modern organizations. And coming to the management as a science, theories and the principles are the scientific management behavior theories and the system approach and the uh, Fantasia of theory. The principle of science management developed by the Taylor focus on the increasing effectively third systematic analysis and optimize of working process and approach emphasis standardization division of labor and the time and mo- uh, mo- motion studies to maximum productivity. And coming to the behavioral theories, management as a science also encompasses the behavioral theories which examines of human aspects to the organization. These theories such as MC Griggs theories and X and Y theory uh, explore how to employ motivation, group dynamic, and the organizational culture impact organization performance. And the system approach views the organization as an interconnected independence network of the element. This prescription emphasizes the importance of the understanding of the various parts of the organization interact and the influence one another to achieve overall objectives. And contingent theory contingent theory recognizes that there is no one size fit all approach to the management. These theories suggest to the most effective management practices develop depend on the specific and environment in the which organization operates. And coming to the management as an art is creativity and initiation. Is creative thinking, initiative, decision making, and collaborative leadership qualities. And coming to the management as a professional and ethics are the ethics and the responsibilities are upholding ethical standards of fulfilling professional duties, accountability, and transparency. Our effective managers are most other to the other, higher ethical principles serving as a moral rule model for the team. There is including promoting integrity, honesty, and the frameless in all the business dealing, and ensuring their decision align with their organization values and the greater goods. And coming to the fulfilling professional duties as the management professionals manager as a duty to their organization employees and their stakeholders. This is the encompasses the responsibilities such as the static planning, resource allocation, talent development, and ensuring the regulatory compliance. Effective management balance these obligations with empathy and diligence. And coming to the accountability and the transparency, the manager must be as accountable of their action and decision and maintain the transparency in their operations. That builds trust with the employees and the stakeholders and they ensure the organization activities are aligned with its mission and values. Effective managers welcome feedback and they're willing to admit their learn from their mistakes. And the planning, organizing, leading, and the controls are the steps for them. Uh, Organization are coming to them. Planning, effective planning involves setting clear objectives, developing strategies, and allocating resources to achieve the desired outcomes. The foundational steps ensure the organization is moving in the right directions and provides a roadmap for the decision making. And the organizing involves the structural the workforce delegating responsibilities and coordinating activities to optimize the efficiency. And the leading is the heart of inspiration and motivating employees to the work towards common goals. And the effective leader foster a positive work culture, communicating a compelling vision and empower their team to excel. And the controlling is involves in monitoring the performance, identifying the deviations from the plans, and taking correctives action to ensure organization stay on track. And the decision and the problem solving techniques are rational decision making, creative solution, problem solution solving, collaborative approach, or data driven insights. And coming to the effective communication and interpersonal skills are active listening, empathy, and emotional intelligence, and non-verbal communication. Or active listening is effective communication starts with the active listening, fully engaging with the speaker, maintaining eyes contact, and asking clarify questions shows that you value their messages and faster a productive dialogues. Coming to the empathy and the emotional intelligence is strong interpersonal skills required to emotional intelligence, the ability to understand the management your own emotions as well as those of the others. And coming to the non-verbal communication is overall 50% of communication is non-verbal. Being aware your body language, tone, and facial expression of reinforcement your message and create a positive impression. Finally, I am coming to the challenge and the trends in the contemporary management. In the ever-evolving landscape of business and the leadership, contemporary managers face the migrate of challenges and emerging trends in the reshape the way of they approach their roles, navigating disruptive technologies and adapting a multi-generational workshop are just few of the key issues that moderate managers must be addressed to ensure that organization remains competitive and adaptive. It is my presentation on management uh, and what. Thank you for watching.